Have you ever tried to make a swimsuit from leggings?
Hello! Welcome back to Upcycle Clothing Designer. My name is Sunju. In this channel, I share creative and easy ways to upcycle old clothing. Learn how I transform men's shirts, denim jeans, and plain old t-shirt into brand new clothes. Explore my websites for more details. The link is in the description below. Today, we will learn how to make an infinity swimsuit from a pair of leggings. At the end of the tutorial, I share 16 ways to wear this summer swimsuit, so stay tuned. Most importantly, I included detailed sewing tips for working lycra spandex material, and also focus on how to finish leg opening to keep swimsuit bottoms in place. Let's get started! For this infinity swimsuit from leggings tutorial, I used a pair of old leggings that were made with 100% rayon spandex. I kept the high waistline intact and focused attention on modifying the leg opening. To make the front of the swimsuit bottom, fold the leggings in half lengthwise. Measure 4 inches down from the waistband along the side seam. Next, measure 2 inches down the inseam on the folded line. Measure 1 inch inwards from the halfway point. Draw a smooth curved line to connect both points. And cut along the line only on the front of the swimsuit bottom. To make the back of the swimsuit bottom, measure 2 inches away from the halfway point on the cut line of the front part. Draw a smooth curved line to connect both points. And cut along the line only on the back of the swimsuit bottom. Copy the leg opening onto the other leg. To make the top of the swimsuit, use the leg pieces from the original leggings. This pair of leggings was made with 3 pieces. Cut open the seams to separate each panel. To make the front of the swimsuit top, use a long triangular piece. Square off the bottom edge and measure the length. The bottom width was 9 inches and the top of the triangle narrowed to a 1 inch width. To make the infinity swimsuit shoulder straps, use another long piece from the original leggings. Cut 1 inch by 26 inches shoulder straps. To complete the top of the swimsuit, make 2 front pieces and 6 infinity straps from both legs of the leggings. To finish the leg opening, cut 2 20-inch long pieces of 1/4 inch elastic band. Join both ends of the elastic band to make a loop. Pin the elastic band around the leg opening on the swimsuit bottom. Then, sew to complete the leg opening. To finish the swimsuit, locate the center waistline of the bottom piece. Line up one side of each top piece with the center waistband and pin to secure. Pin the other side of the top piece to the side seam of the waistline. Stretch the elastic while sewing to attach the top piece to the bottom piece of the swimsuit. To finish the infinity shoulder straps, overlap the ends of each strap and zigzag stitch. Attach 3 straps to the top of each side to complete the infinity swimsuit from Leggings.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope this infinity swimsuit from Leggings inspires you to add a new piece to your summer wardrobe. Follow the step-by-step pictures and detailed instructions of my website. You will see the link in the description below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun upcycle projects. Share your cute infinity swimsuit with me on Instagram at Upcycle Clothing Designer. Leave a comment below and tell me what project you'd like me to try next. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!